how to do an alignment on our state-of-the-art alignment rack here with laser eyes on it for the latest in technology for your car. What an alignment is, it's the tire contact to the road to make sure that it's going straight and true with the vehicle and that you have the efficient amount of tire hitting the road. How we perform an alignment: first we hook up the state-of-the-art machine, it's all lasered, and we read what the alignment is. At that point we will make adjustments of whether cradle shifting and or tie rod toe adjustments to make the wheels contact the road correctly. Why an alignment is important? It's important for several reasons. One is that you have the most efficient tire wear that you can get for your vehicle. Two is safety and security, so that when you let go of the wheel that the car doesn't swerve off the road. Three is for maximum economy. When your tires are running true to the vehicle, you're going to get the most efficient fuel mileage that you can. How often you should have your car aligned? You should have your car aligned every 2 years, 24,000 miles. And or, depending on road conditions, could be more frequent. In our area we have lots of potholes. Knocks these cars out of a line and just a few thousandths of an inch it will need aligned again. If you notice any abnormal tire wear, your car should be aligned. I'm Brian Hanold, and I want to thank you for your time. Anyone that needs their car aligned, I'll be glad to take care of it. I'm an expert at this, and anybody that needs an alignment, I can advise of what they need and how often it should be done.